Looks so good, looks so sweet. Parang ano na no? A little bit higher na no? Hi guys! Welcome to today's video. If you're new, my name is Roche, aka Beautymagz. If you're new here to my channel, I'm doing makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, product reviews, informative videos, as well as lifetime vlogs. Consider subscribing if you haven't already and hit the bell for future notification. In today's video, as the title it says, this is my first time guys. It's about reacting a group. Just a little bit of a disclaimer. I am not a voice coach, not a singer, none of that stuff, okay? I am just a listener. Though I studied a little bit of piano when I was little, okay, little. And it has been a long time, and so I'm trying to see what we can react to this song from the band. It's called Fourth Impact. Okay, they are from the Philippines, are they? I'm sorry, Fourth Impact, this is my first time I know you like a long time ago. Not know you, but I saw your group a long time ago. I've heard your voices. I'm not sure right now if I can distinguish each one of your voices. I believe one is a soprano, right? And I think there is a mezzo contralto, is it? Or mezzo soprano, and there's an alto, a bass. I think bass is for a guy, and a tenor is a guy, right? So I think I only have 3 voices for girls. If you are going to do it with chords, okay, there will be a bass rhythm and then soprano or like the higher key. So we'll see. Okay, how long is the video? It's about 3 minutes. The title of the song is Blackpink Ice Cream. This is a rendition, right? And I saw the video from Blackpink and Selena Gomez. Yeah, so I like that song. I don't really remember the melody, but I like the way how the MTV works. Okay, this is my first time, huh? Pasensya na. I'll try my best to see how can I react with this song from Blackpink, rendition by the band Fourth Impact. Are they in the UK right now? I'm not okay, here we go guys. Let's the video roll in. Oy, ads. Skip muna tayo ha, para madali. Let's go. Wow, the aesthetic of the background is good. Come a little closer, 'cause you're looking thirsty. Really in the G's like Billy, you be popping like a willy. This voice right here. What is that? I think it's a melody, huh? Or a little bit higher. No, it's a melody, right? It's her melody, or like her rhythm song, her rhythm voice, right? Even in the sun, you know I keep it icy. You could take a lick, but it's too cold to bite me. To play the part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses. Looks so good, yeah, looks so good. Looks so good, looks so sweet. Parang ano, a little bit higher na no. Wow, nagwapa lagi siya. I like the way the background goes, no? Soprano na yata ito siya, no? So sweet. Okay, let's go. Let's move on. The kiss, so we call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice bleed. Looks so good, you look so good. I'm in my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You can double dip, 'cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin' to ice cream. Can't distinguish the voices, guys. Parang nawala na yung ano ko Nawala yung pag hindi ka na, if you don't listen to like a song or a group or a band, you know, you will lose that kind of, kung sa Bisaya ba nga si praho nimo pa. Di ako kahibaw maminaw each, or like distinguish each voices when they sing together. So I can't really like synchronize or like sync my head and their voice. So but they're doing good, right?
I know that my heart could be so cold, but I'm sweet for you, can put me in a cone. You're the only touch, yeah, the game.
She's singing like just a rhythm, right? Flat or like in the middle key.
Here's my favorite flavor, always gonna pick him. You're the cherry piece. Oh, get it, love it, skip it, do like that, yeah. Like it, love it, like it, do like that, yeah.
She's doing the like the melody, you know, I like the way the background is. It's like, sarap ng kumain ng ice cream.
Lips so good, yeah, lips so sweet. Hold us with a kiss, so they call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge.
The way they like sing the tones, it's pretty good. I mean, considering they're sisters now, or sisters and cousins. They're good. They're good. They really make a good rendition with this song.
Ice cream, chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. 미친 듯한 속도인 my life, rah. 너무 빨라, 나는 비켜, 원해.
Okay, so this Violet lady, she's singing the alto. Namatay akong camera, guys. I have to record it. I hope so. Okay, let's move on. I'll just go back to, here we go, 2 minutes.
Feeling, yeah, rah, rah, rah. 미친 듯한 속도인 my life, rah. 너무 빨라, 나는 비켜, 원해. Damn it, keep it moving like Melissa. Think it's lava when even ice cream and the cheese. Keep it moving like Melissa. Think it's lava when you visa, Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa, needs some ice cream and the cheese.
So this Violet lady, she has the lower registry, okay, and we call it alto, right? So it's good, right? She can hold that lower voice. But this kind of song, I don't really like can see the tone of the voice, or like how sweet it is, how good it is. You know, it's just like I don't know. But the soprano lady is really like, whoa, there, right? This one, the texture, it's okay for me, the texture, yeah, I think. But yeah, considering it's all sisters, no? Right, go.
On my wrist, yeah, like this. Get the bag with the cream, if you know what I mean. Ice cream, I like this, and I'm nice with the cream, if you know what I mean. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Oh. It's just a 3-minute. The MTV, like the production, oh my gosh. that's wonderful. Like it's over the top. The aesthetics, the props, the colors of it, right? Wow, and all their fashion accessories and glitters and blings like that. Oh my. Yes, they did a very good job with the song and how their voice blended so well together, and they really like sing the song in, you know, in the best of their ability. Like the soprano, I like her tone. It's very sharp, not very sharp, like, I mean, like really she really hit the key. I like it. Yeah, so far the video itself, it's really good. I like it so far. So guys, so this is my video reaction for the group of Fourth Impact by the song of Blackpink and Selena Gomez and the rendition of Ice Cream. I hope you like this video. Wala lang guys, pamuno ba? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also please watch my video till the end of this video. I have some recommended videos that you can watch after this video. Alright, till then, thank you so much for watching.